BIW Fixture Design. What is it, and why should you choose it? In this video, we'll unlock the power of BIW Fixture Design and show you why it's a game changer for manufacturing efficiency. So, what exactly is BIW Fixture Design? BIW stands for Body-in-White, which refers to the stage in automotive manufacturing where the car body is assembled. A BIW Fixture Design, on the other hand, refers to the specialized tooling and equipment used to hold and position the various components during the assembly process. Why should you choose BIW Fixture Design? Well, it offers a multitude of benefits. First and foremost, BIW fixtures ensure precise and accurate assembly, resulting in fewer errors and higher quality products. They provide the ideal support and control needed, ensuring that every component fits perfectly into place. Secondly, BIW Fixture Design significantly increases manufacturing efficiency. By holding and positioning the components precisely, it minimizes the time and effort required for assembly. This leads to faster production cycles and increased productivity, saving both time and money. Additionally, BIW fixtures can be easily customized and adjusted for different models and variations. Whether it's a sedan or an SUV, a BIW fixture can be tailored to accommodate specific assembly requirements, resulting in versatility and adaptability on the production line. But that's not all. BIW Fixture Design also enhances worker safety. By providing secure and stable support for heavy or awkward components, it reduces the risk of accidents and injuries, ensuring a safer working environment. In summary, choosing BIW Fixture Design is a no-brainer. It offers precision, efficiency, versatility, and safety, all crucial factors in the world of manufacturing. So, if you're looking to maximize your manufacturing efficiency, look no further than BIW Fixture Design. Thanks for watching our video on the power of BIW Fixture Design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on manufacturing and industrial processes.